picture on a poster in a cafe out in Hilo. Guess you're still the sweetheart of the rodeo. As for me and little Mandy, we still make the circuit on a one-horse trailer and a mobile home. And she still talks about you all the time. And I guess she didn't even cross your mind. And then sometimes I think about you and the way you used to light us with your rhinestones and your sequins and the sunlight on your hair. And all the crowd, they always love you. As for me, I've come to know everything that glitters isn't gold. Lord, he's getting older, and last Saturday he stumbled. But you know I just can't bear to let him go. Little Mandy, she's still growing, and she started asking questions of some certain things a man just doesn't know. Her birthday came and you didn't even call. And I guess she didn't even cross your mind. And then sometimes I think about you and the way you used to ride us with your rhinestones and your sequins and the sunlight on your hair. And all the crowd, they always love you. As for me, I've come to know everything that glitters isn't gold. Everybody singing, you'll make it big one day. And I guess that we were only in your way. And one day I'm sure you're gonna know the cost. 'Cause for every time you win, there's something lost. And then sometimes I think about you and the way you used to ride us with your rhinestones and your sequins and the sunlight on your hair. And all the crowd, they always love you. As for me, I've come to know everything that glitters isn't gold.